Platinum Industries Ltd, a specialty chemicals manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 2016 and got listed on NSE and BSE in 2024. They are based in Mumbai, with more than 95 employees. They have two manufacturing plants located in Palghar, with production capacity of 36,000 tons per annum and encompassing an area of 21,000 square feet. The market cap of the company is 1,154 crore rupees and currently trading at 210 rupees per share. The company has a 44% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 108% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company is almost 100% debt-free. Company is setting up two new manufacturing plants in Palghar and Egypt, with production capacity of 60,000 tons per annum and 30,000 tons per annum, respectively, and is expected to be operational by Q4 of 2024. Company manufactures PVC stabilizers, CPVC additives, and lubricants. About 62% of the revenue is generated from PVC stabilizers, 6% from CPVC additives, 25% from lubricants, and 7% from trading and other products. These products are used in diverse industries for various applications. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. Promoters hold about 71% stake in the company. We can see a small portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company. Top 3 clients contribute about 75% of the total revenue, top 5 clients contribute about 82%, and top 10 clients contribute about 91%. Company is not engaged in long-term agreements with its customers, which can be concerning. Coming to some key highlights. Company is the third largest player of PVC stabilizer in India, with 13% market share. In 2022, company established a new subsidiary, Platinum Stabilizers Egypt LLC, to expand its footprint in Middle East. Company is setting up two new manufacturing plants in Palghar and Egypt, expected to be operational by Q4 of 2024. They are in technical collaboration agreement with HMS Concept EU. Company has strong R&D capability and aims to introduce a new product to the market every 6 to 8 months. Currently, they export to 30 countries, with a revenue concentration of 8% from exports and 92% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.